Hi, I would like to show you what to do to troubleshoot an offline printer on a broader eye printed scan, or a printer that it doesn't show here, or you want to choose another printer than your default printer. So you go to select your machine. It will analyze all your machines that are supposed to be here, but very important to be if the machine if the printer is on a Wi-Fi, you should be in the same Wi-Fi that your machine is. Okay, you should see the network. It should be the same. If you want to see a video how to set how to see which a Wi-Fi is your machine is, I have a separate video, and you can watch it, no problem. Um, so after we choose the machine, I choose it, I set OK, it is setting up. Now you can see I can print and scan with it, and the ready sign says that it's ready for action, and that's all. I have more educational, broader printer and movies you can watch and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.